In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid to shop. Let's go to TJ Maxx, baby! When you get to the store, you want to check for the clearance items. So here at TJ Maxx, they have awesome clearance bikes. Look at all this. These are insane prices. Let's check this out. So you see these are all clearance. These are called Retrospec. Okay, Retrospec's one of the coolest and best bikes out there. So let's see if it is profitable. So here's this little cutie pie. You can see that this is Retrospec, and if you look on it, it says Cub. So what we're gonna do is open up our Amazon seller app, and I am going to come on here and I'm going to search Retrospec Cub, and then I'm going to scroll down. Now if the item has a box and a UPC code, you could just scan that, and if it's for sale, it'll pop up. So you want to find the one, make sure it matches perfectly. Okay, gotta match perfect. So you're going to click on the item to see how much it's selling for. And once we click on it, we can see the lowest price is $149.99. Look at this, y'all. It's only $36. Are you freaking kidding me? So what you're gonna do is go on the Amazon seller app, and you wanna make sure you add tax to it. Holy crap. We can make $62 selling this bike, and we're gonna make a little girl's day. This is how you find profitable items to sell on Amazon. Ready to check out? Don't forget your reusable bag so that we can save the environment, and you can always have your dog with you. Hey guys, it's me, Morgan, and welcome to my channel where I help you make money on Amazon. If you're new here, I am so glad that you ended up here. 5 years ago, I was a broke waitress and my partner was a sugarcane farmer, and we were not very happy with what we were doing. That's when I saw a video right here on YouTube about somebody claiming to make all this money on Amazon. The only way I knew how to make money was to go to a job and work for somebody else. So I thought it was fake. But I was so miserable, I figured, what the heck do I have to lose? Let me give it a shot. And thank goodness I did, because 5 years later, we just hit $5 million in sales, which blows my mind. The beauty of Amazon is that they allow you to live life on your own terms. We were in Puerto Rico for 7 days where we did almost $11,000 in sales while we were enjoying our life. Money doesn't buy happiness, but it can allow you to have time to figure out what makes you happy. So since your time is money, let's get started. Last week we were in the beautiful Puerto Rico, and at the end of our trip, my grandfather, who has been having an exhausting battle with Alzheimer's and cancer, passed away. And I just wanted to take 1 second to say thank you so much for all the sweet messages and love, because it's been really hard and it has really touched my heart. I wanted to get our weekly video out, but it's been a really tough emotional week. But this has just reminded me so much that you can't wait. You can't wait until you retire to live your life. You can't wait to start enjoying things. And that's why we are just so passionate about sharing how you can quit a job that you maybe don't necessarily love to actually have time and freedom to do what you want. So this is just another reminder. But thank you so much for all of you who have sent these sweetest messages. You really, really touched my heart. If you stay until the very end of this video, I'm gonna share with you a free tool that I made just for you that is gonna make finding profitable products way easier. So the very first thing you're gonna need to know is, how do I even know if an item is gonna sell on Amazon? Every single item on Amazon has something known as a bestseller rank. Sometimes people call it the BSR. So the lower this number, the more likely a product is going to sell. So let's do an example of the Retrospec bike that I found earlier. There is this amazing free tool that Jungle Scout has. So let's just hop on my computer screen so I can show you how it works. Welcome to my computer screen. This is where the magic happens. So we're gonna go to junglescout.com/estimator. We are obsessed with Jungle Scout. We have found every single product we've ever sold on Amazon with it. And if you want a discount link, for their full extension. I'm going to have it linked in the description for you, but this tool is totally free. So once you scan the item on the Amazon seller app, if it doesn't have a UPC code, then you are just going to type in, for this, I typed in retro spec cub, and then I went to the variations and found the pink or blue, whatever color it is. And so you're going to come onto this tool, and all you do is enter the bestsellers rank, which you see when you see it on Amazon. So this bestseller rank is 21,140. Every category is totally different. That could be great in one category and not so great in another. Then you're going to select your marketplace, because that's going to determine a lot as well. And then you're going to click your category, which this is sports and outdoors. And then you're just going to click estimate sales, and it shows you that those bikes sell about 360 a month. So for finding items at stores to sell, which is known as retail arbitrage, it's important, but this is more important whenever you are making your own private label products from scratch. But this gives you a good indication that it's pretty likely to sell based on the amount of sales. So now that you found your product, how the heck do you list it? Once you create your Amazon seller account, which if you are serious about selling on Amazon, I highly recommend you sign up for the Pro account. They do have a free individual account, but you will pay 99 cents per sale, and you don't get near the benefits like the buy box and things like that. So you are going to log in to sellercentral.amazon.com. You're going to go up to the top left, and you're going to click inventory, and then you're going to scroll down to add a product. If you don't have the UPC, you're just going to type in the description of it. So this is a retro spec cub balance bike. So I typed that in here, and then right here it shows show variations. So you're going to click that, and you're going to scroll down. So this is going to have every single color that they have available. So you want to find the color that they have, make sure it matches perfectly. So this one is the unicorn pink. So you're going to come over here and select if it's new or used, and then you're going to click sell this variation. This page, it's really, really simple, y'all. You're just going to scroll down. The seller SKU can be anything that you want it to be. We normally put the day that we bought the item, how much we paid, where we got it, and then maybe the color of it. This is just for your bookkeeping records, however you want to do that. So we do the standard price, which you don't always have to go the lowest price, especially if you're doing fulfilled by Amazon, where you send it to their warehouse and they're going to ship it for you versus you sending it yourself. Since the customer is going to get it faster, you can charge a little bit more of a premium, because the lowest price that is fulfilled by merchant is actually about $100. But we're going to go at $149.99 because that's closer to the FBA price. You're going to select the condition once again, and then right here, super important, you're going to put this one, I will ship this item myself if that's what you're going to do, or you're going to put Amazon will ship if that is the case. Then you're going to scroll down. If you only sell in the US, you can ignore this. If you sell in Canada, you could see the lowest price in Canada is like $258, which is crazy. So you would just put whatever your price is, and then you're going to hit save and finish. This is super important. They're going to ask you if you want to put a barcode or you want to use a manufacturer barcode. Always do your own barcode. The reason behind this is if not, they can send somebody else's product as yours. It could not be legit, it could be fake, it could be damaged, and you could lose your account. So do not do that. So you definitely want to put the Amazon barcode and save and continue. On this page, what you want to do, it's asking you for prep and labeling details needed, so you're just going to click this. So certain items are going to require certain prep, like for example, apparel or clothing. You're going to have to put those items in poly bags. If you need any items like that, scanner, we have everything we use linked in the description below. This is really none of these things, so there is no prep needed for this. And so you're just going to hit save, and then it's going to take you right back to the main page, and then it's going to ask who is going to label each unit, and you're going to put the seller, because if Amazon does it, they're going to charge you per unit, and you should just stick a sticker on yourself, for free. So right here, you're going to put the units we have. Since we only have one, we're going to click ready to pack. Everything fit into one box, because if you have a lot of items, sometimes it won't all fit. So you'll put if everything will fit or if multiple boxes are needed, and then just hit confirm. So simple, y'all. You just enter your box dimensions and the box weight to confirm your packaging information. Enter those, you're just gonna come right here and click confirm and continue. On step 1, I missed this part. Just make sure you hit right here, print SKU labels, and that is where you're gonna print out the little sticker that you put on every single item. Right here is where you're going to confirm your shipment. Once you enter your information, it's going to show you the pricing, and you're going to click accept charges and confirm shipping. You're going to hit print box labels, and you are done, baby. Most people did not make it this far, but since you did, I want to reward you with a free sales rank cheat sheet that I made just for you. You can get it right here. This is going to tell you any category what sales rank number to look for. So it's going to be as simple as this. You just scan an item and you're going to look at that number that pops up. Then you're going to look at this free sales rank chart, a certain category, and it falls under that number. You're going to know it most likely is going to sell on Amazon. Don't trust your gut, trust the data. If y'all found this video helpful, be sure to hit thumbs up, drop any Amazon questions you have below, maybe even share it with a bargain friend that just loves finding the good deals, because this could turn into a life-changing opportunity for them. Thank y'all so much for giving me the most valuable thing that you have, which is your time. Life is so short, so make sure you do something that you love today. I'll see y'all on the next video. Now y'all go make that money.